Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you a super cool trick how to turn your photo into a Skull Multiverse Animation using the DreamFace app. It's quick, easy and best of all, you can try it out for free. Okay, let's get started. First, if you don't already have DreamFace, just go ahead and download it from the Play Store. And once it's installed, just open the app and then log in using your Google account. And don't worry, DreamFace has a free package and even give you free credits every week, so you can experiment without spending a cent. Okay, after you log in, you will land on the home page like this. And here's look for the options called Magic Effect. This one, this is where all the fun begins. Just tap on it, and then just scroll down. You will see a bunch of different animation styles. Scroll until you find the one called Skull Multiverse. This one, just tap on it. And now just pick or select any portrait photo from your gallery. The clearer the face, the better the results. Just tap on plus button. And when you're done, just tap on confirm. And when you selected the photo, just hit create. This one, just tap on it. And okay, like this, DreamFace automatically transform your image into a stunning skull multiverse animations like this. And I think the result is super cool. And okay, that's it. In just a few steps, you can create a mind-blowing animation that looks strike out of another dimensions. And okay, like this, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.